This video is going to show you how to change the air filter on a LS2 Corvette. This is my old filter. Not that bad, but still needed replaced. Brand new one, AC Delco. This is the part number. This is actually, I think, the easiest air filter to change in the world. Just going to raise these up, and this pulls straight out. That's all there is to it. Air filter simply sits in here just like that. It's that easy. You can see how the intake works there. The filter just sits on top of this. Air goes in through the filter and then through there. It's that easy. The other filter is going to be your cabin air filter, and it's located right here on your passenger side. It's also very easy. You have two of these that flip up, one here, one here. When you do that, it comes out, and your filter just sits right in there. Nothing really snaps into place on it, you just pull it straight out. Mine seems to be in okay condition. You can buy some of them that have little fragrances in them. I've not been able to find those at your local Walmart, just on the shelf, probably an order item from an auto parts place, but that's where you access that at.